Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing several quick and simple fall decor DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Before I start today's video, I just wanted to thank every single one of you guys who had me in your prayers. I truly appreciate it. And I don't know if you guys noticed, I hadn't posted for a couple of weeks since I got sick and I had to get my gallbladder removed. And right now I am just recovering, taking it slow. But I just wanted to say that I'm so thankful and I'm so happy to be back. And with all of that said, let's get started with today's video.
And to handle my emotions, I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time.
For the first DIY, I'm going to be using these 4 little frames that I had in my craft stash, and I'm going to be putting them together with some E6000 so I can make a little barn window.
Lately I've been fading out, holding out, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time.
To give it some detail, I'm just adding some brown paint all over the frames.
It's all been a waste of time. Waste of time. Waste of time. Waste of time. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time.
I'm going to be using the garland that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just made it into a medium-sized wreath, and with just a piece of burlap ribbon, I'm going to be adding it onto the frame.
And now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. Waste my time. It's all been a waste of time. I've been wondering about you. They said that just one look and I'd get caught too.
Now I'm just going to be adding the harvest in the center.
And you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only.
For the second DIY, I just started off by painting the sticks with some ivory chalk paint, and I let them dry for 10 to 15 minutes. I am also going to be using 4 of the giant craft sticks, and I'm just cutting the edges.
obsess about things. Some turn use into.
To put it together, I'm just adding some hot glue on the edge, and to give it more support, I'm going to be adding a small regular size craft stick on the back. I'm going to be using this wired pumpkin I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be adding some greenery I got from Walmart. They were all 97 cents, even the stems with the cute little pumpkins. And I'm just going to be putting it together with some zip ties.
You've heard that all I do is obsess about you. But if only you could see that we are meant to be.
On the top, I'm just going to be using these burlap leaves I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna be wrapping it. It has like a little wire on the back, and I'm just gonna wrap it around the pumpkin.
Have to give into the pressure. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, 'cause I just wanna call my friends.
For the bow, I'm just going to be using this ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be doing 2 loops on each end and putting it together with a zip tie.
Do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. I wish I had the guts to start a conversation with someone. Just be who I am, not care so much about first impressions. So, 'cause I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. Maybe reveal it, ring me and tell you my name. Yeah, I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. No one can send it, ring me, I won't be ashamed. 'Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. You do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
Now I'm just adding the pumpkin onto the fence with some large zip ties.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. 'Cause I just wanna call my friends.
For the last and final DIY, I'm going to be using 3 of these wooden pumpkins, and I just started off by painting them with some ivory chalk paint.
Be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
For this pumpkin, I'm just going to be adding some tape so I could do a black and white type of look to it.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your...
For this pumpkin, I'm gonna be adding some vinyl stickers I cut out, but you could use any circle stickers you have, even the ones that they sell at Dollar Tree, that would work perfectly. And I'm just gonna be painting over it with some black paint.
Just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the...
On the two edges of the pumpkin, I'm just going to be adding this mixture of paint I did. It's kind of like a minty green color.
I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time,
now I'm just putting them together with some hot glue. I knew something was missing. I had completely forgotten to paint the stems, so I'm just going to be painting them with some brown paint. And I found this thankful sign a couple weeks ago at Dollar Tree, and I had painted it brown. I was going to use it for something else, but I thought it would have looked perfect if I added it in the center of the pumpkins just to give it more detail. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Other than that, I hope y'all have a great day and God bless.
Dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the